Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix iPhone battery showing service on battery health. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. As you can see guys, it's showing here battery health and charging. It's showing here service option. So you can see here. So how can you fix this? Just simply close this page from here, and firstly you have to open settings, and now from here you have to scroll it down, tap on general. Now from here just simply tap on software update and make sure that you don't have any pending software update here. If you have, just simply update your device, and after that check whether your phone has been fixed or not. And if the phone suggests there, then what you need to do is just simply force restart your device. It's depending on which model you are using, so you have to force restart your device, and after that check whether your phone has been fixed or not. And if the phone suggests there, then what you need to do is just simply open settings. Now from here just simply look here for battery again, and now from here you have to turn on low power mode and just simply connect your phone with charger. So you have to charge your phone with Apple verified charger, and when your battery reached to 80%, after that you have to disconnect your device from charger, and after that check whether your phone has been fixed or not. And if the phone suggests there, then what you need to do is just simply open settings again. Now scroll it down from here. Now tap on general, scroll it down all the way. Now tap on transfer reset, tap on reset, tap on reset all setting. Here you have to put your passcode. Now tap on reset all setting. This will reset all setting. No data meter will be deleted. And after that check whether your phone has been fixed or not. And if the phone suggests there, then it means your battery is going to die, so you have to replace your battery. So that's it guys for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.